Did you know? The jackfruit, a tropical fruit native to India, has become increasingly popular. In Thailand, jackfruit production reached approximately 450,000 tons in 2023, marking steady growth over the years due to rising demand in both domestic and international markets. Jackfruit is primarily grown in tropical climates, with large cultivation areas concentrated in Southeast Asian countries. In Vietnam, jackfruit planting covers about 50,000 hectares, predominantly in southern provinces like Tiên Giang, Bến Tre, and Dong Thap. These areas provide the ideal climate and soil conditions for jackfruit to thrive. Jackfruit is typically planted at a density of around 150 to 200 trees per hectare, ensuring sufficient spacing for healthy growth and optimal yield. In Thailand, jackfruit is also grown in regions such as Chanthaburi, Prachinburi, and Nakhon Pathom. Thai jackfruit trees are typically spaced 8 to 12 meters apart, depending on the variety and growing conditions, to optimize space and sunlight. Jackfruit can be grown from seeds or by grafting. In Thailand, grafting is the preferred method, accounting for about 80% of newly planted trees. Jackfruit trees thrive in sandy, loamy, or sandy loam soils with a pH between 6.0 and 7.5. During cultivation, jackfruit trees require regular watering, especially in the early planting stage and during dry seasons. In addition, pruning is essential to help jackfruit trees support the weight of large fruits. Ensuring adequate airflow and reducing the risk of disease. Harvesting jackfruit requires precision and experience. Jackfruit typically ripens after about 3 to 6 years of growth, depending on the cultivation method. Farmers determine ripeness by examining the color of the skin, the sound when tapped, and its distinctive aroma. Ripe jackfruits are carefully cut to avoid damaging both the tree and the fruit. In Vietnam and Thailand, jackfruit harvesting occurs year-round due to favorable climates, with peak seasons typically in the summer months. After harvest, jackfruit is transported to processing facilities. Where it undergoes washing, peeling, and cutting before being dried or processed into other products. Dried jackfruit is typically dehydrated at 50 to 60 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 hours to reduce moisture while preserving its natural sweetness. Jackfruit is a rich source of vitamins and minerals. In 100 grams of jackfruit, there are approximately 95 calories, 2 grams of fiber, along with ample vitamin A, vitamin C, and minerals like potassium and magnesium. The fiber aids digestion, while the vitamins and minerals boost immune function and support heart health. Additionally, jackfruit products like dried jackfruit, jackfruit juice, and jackfruit powder have generated significant economic value. Dried jackfruit, in particular, is highly popular in markets such as China, the United States, and several European countries due to its convenience and nutritional content. Besides jackfruit, pineapple is also a fruit favored by many farmers. This fruit is widely consumed and has high economic potential, with Costa Rica exporting over 50% of the global pineapple supply. In the United States, pineapples are primarily grown in Hawaii, Florida, and California, covering approximately 15,000 acres. However, most pineapples consumed in the U.S. are still imported from countries like Costa Rica, Mexico, and Honduras. pineapples thrive in tropical climates, making countries like Costa Rica, the Philippines, Thailand, and Brazil top producers. With a high planting density, averaging around 11,000 plants per acre, pineapple growers can maximize space and provide ideal growing conditions, contributing significantly to the global pineapple supply. From 2000 to 2003, pineapple acreage in the United States peaked at around 23,000 acres. However, this area has gradually decreased due to the emergence of various other crops. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which boost immunity and aid digestion. The bromelain enzyme in pineapple has anti-inflammatory properties, helps digest protein, and reduces the risk of arthritis. Pineapple also contains fiber, vitamins A and B, potassium and manganese, providing energy and supporting heart health. The process of growing pineapples begins by separating young shoots from the mother plant. These young plants are then planted in pre-prepared soil and often treated with growth stimulants to help roots anchor deeply, promoting the plant's growth. Pineapple plants are drought tolerant, but to achieve the best quality, they require about 1.2 inches of water each week. Irrigation should be consistent, especially during the flowering and fruit development stages. Pineapple plants have a longer growth and development period than other fruit crops, typically taking 18 to 24 months to reach harvest. On large farms, pineapple care is managed scientifically, from irrigation and fertilization to pest and disease control. Pineapple harvesting is a manual process, requiring labor and care to ensure the fruit reaches optimal ripeness and sweetness. Quality criteria like color and sugar content are checked before harvesting begins. In the United States, the pineapple harvest takes place from April to July, involving about 3,400 workers annually, most of whom come from Mexico. In 2020, U.S. pineapple production reached approximately 169,000 tons, a relatively small figure compared to the global output of around 27.6 million tons. Most pineapples consumed in the United States are imported, with the average American consuming about 7.6 pounds of pineapple per year. In addition to its health benefits, pineapple is widely used in cuisine. It is also processed into products like dried pineapple, canned pineapple, and pineapple juice, meeting the growing consumer demand for fruit-based products. Have you noticed the difference in this watermelon? Today, we will journey to Japan to explore the world's most expensive black watermelon. As we admire the breathtaking countryside scenery and meet the devoted farmers caring for these precious fruits, we cannot help but admire their hard work and dedication in cultivating this luxurious product. Toma is a town renowned for cultivating black watermelons. Are you curious about how Japanese farmers produce these prized fruits? The process begins with selecting two high-quality watermelon varieties, one chosen for its sweet taste and the other for its characteristic black color. Carefully nurtured from seeds, the young plants undergo meticulous care to ensure robust growth. Once the seedlings reach maturity, skilled grafters perform the grafting process, typically in spring or summer when the plants are in their most vigorous stage. Grafting requires great precision and attention to detail. The grafter will remove a portion of a sweet watermelon plant and graft it onto a black watermelon plant. This process creates a perfect fusion of sweet flavor and unique black color. The painstaking efforts of these farmers result in the exquisite black watermelon, a harmonious blend of taste and aesthetics, making it a truly luxurious delicacy. The Densuke watermelon, also known as the black watermelon, is often referred to as the king of all watermelons. It is planted at the end of March and harvested in mid-June. As you can see, one of the methods used by farmers to protect the young and delicate watermelon fruits is by using a specially designed covering. This covering shields the young watermelon plants from harsh elements like wind and rain, allowing them to develop and mature perfectly. Within this greenhouse, 150 black watermelon plants are cultivated, with hope that each plant will yield around 10 fruits during the harvest season. The farmers have applied simple, yet effective traditional methods in their cultivation process. Farmers also focus on the pollination process meticulously, hand-pollinating the flowers to ensure a successful season. This step is crucial in the process and requires specialized knowledge and precision. They dedicate attention to each watermelon fruit on every vine to ensure maximum size for each one. As we monitor the development and maturation of the watermelons over time, we are impressed by the beauty of nature and the role of the farmers. As the black watermelons continue to grow and mature, the farmers closely monitor the conditions inside the greenhouse to ensure a perfect balance of temperature and humidity. They constantly inspect the watermelons, looking for signs of ripeness and carefully observing their color and firmness. This monitoring and care process ensures that the watermelons are harvested at their peak ripeness when they are at their sweetest and most flavorful. To package these precious fruits, the farmers meticulously attend to every detail. Each black watermelon is carefully inspected and hand-selected based on size, shape, and color, ensuring that only the best ones are sold to consumers. The farmers focus on ensuring that each watermelon reaches the perfect level of ripeness, with the right balance of sweetness and juiciness. This process takes time, but guarantees that consumers receive the best possible product. They use wax coating equipment to make the watermelon surface smooth and glossy. They even utilize special protective materials like foam padding and high-quality boxes to safeguard the fruits during transportation, keeping the watermelons safe and intact. The packaging also enhances the fruit's visual appeal, making it more attractive to consumers. Did you know that these watermelons have been auctioned at record-breaking prices of up to 75,000 yen? Seeing these black watermelons, I can't help but appreciate the hard work that farmers have put in. Through each step, from selecting the seeds, planting, nurturing, to harvesting and packaging, it demands their love, patience, and dedication. That is the true source of value in these black watermelons. When you cut open a black watermelon, you will see the juicy red flesh. As you take a bite of the black watermelon, you will experience its characteristic sweetness, smooth and tender texture, along with a rich and complex flavor. What makes this watermelon unique is the hint of distinctive black earthy flavor, setting it apart from other watermelons. As you chew, the watermelon juice will burst in your mouth, carrying the sweet and aromatic taste that lingers on your palate. This experience is truly a marvel for all senses, a sensation you won't forget. it is a special gift that makes you want to savor more and more. Join us as we explore how watermelons are grown and harvested in different countries. The automated planting machine is a groundbreaking technology that helps streamline a significant part of the time-consuming and labor-intensive tasks for farmers during the planting process. When activated, the planting machine automatically moves along a pre-programmed route. It digs holes at predetermined distances and depths, depending on the type of crop and specific requirements. The hole digging process is quick and efficient, saving farmers' efforts and ensuring uniformity among the planting holes. After digging the holes, the machine switches to irrigation mode. The intelligent irrigation system provides precise and adequate water for each planting hole, ensuring consistent and appropriate moisture levels for the crops. This supports strong plant development right from the moment of planting and minimizes the risk of overwatering or underwatering, creating favorable conditions for plant growth and development. Next is a modern watermelon harvester, named the Compact Folding Melon Harvester, developed by Berstron Engineering and Electronics. This innovative device is specifically designed to help farmers harvest watermelons efficiently and save time. The machine is equipped with a folding feature, saving space and facilitating easy transportation from one watermelon field to another. This makes the Compact Folding Melon Harvester an ideal tool for areas with limited space and requiring quick movement. Integrated with advanced technology, this harvester can recognize and select the ripest and most beautiful red watermelons. The automatic cutting system saves labor and ensures clean and swift cutting of the fruits. Additionally, the Compact Folding Melon Harvester is equipped with a leaf and waste separation system, eliminating unnecessary parts and preserving the watermelons in the best condition. Do you know that harvesting watermelons at the right time is a crucial factor in determining their quality? Harvesting watermelons at the right moment ensures that the fruits reach optimal ripeness, delivering the best product quality to consumers. When watermelons are harvested at the right time, they retain the highest nutrient content, ensuring nutritional value and a fresh, delicious taste. This not only supports human health, but also optimizes efficiency in the cultivation process, reducing waste and increasing productivity. Furthermore, harvesting at the right time helps farmers effectively access the market, ensuring the product's consumption and maintaining high commercial value. In conclusion, harvesting watermelons at the right time brings superior benefits to both producers and consumers, making it a cornerstone for successful watermelon cultivation and consumption.